London that I really love to go to is Wortley Village. There's lots of restaurants and cool little shops. There's a record store that I really like there. It's a great place to go and just spend an afternoon, maybe do some studying at some of the coffee shops there. Out of 5 stars, I would 100% give it 5.
A really great place in London called the London Escape Rooms, and they just opened up a new location in downtown London, so it's super close to campus, and they have a lot of different escape rooms, like the Harry Potter escape room or the Alice in the Wonderland escape room. And sometimes the staff dress up as Harry Potter characters and you get to solve puzzles just like Harry himself. And I would personally rate it 4.5 out of 5 stars, and I think you should go.
To go is called City Light Bookstore. It's really cool if you're into like kind of thrifty kind of situations. Honestly, you go there, it's all like vintage books, original scripts for movies, records and vinyls, and you can just go around, play music around the store, look at old magazines, and there's certain areas where it's like things I found, and you can go through like actual postcards from people like from like the 1930s. It's like really cool. It's like a nice environment, really fun. I would say I would like it for like a 3, 4, 5, I guess. It's not like a fun activity, but like it's like cool. Switch it up.
The place that I would recommend would probably be Fleetway. It's a place for bowling. It's pretty close from campus. You take the 17. It's like right next like on Wonderland. I think it's a really good place to go if you want to go with a bunch of friends to pass time. And to rate it out of 5 stars, I would rate it like maybe 4 stars. I really like volunteering too, so I think if you want, like, if you just want to spend time over the weekend, just to do something to give back to the community, I think London Children's Museum would be a pretty good place to go because you get to see it. To rate it out of 5 stars, I would rate 5. Yeah.
It's London Knights game. They're like a local OHL hockey team. The game's usually pretty packed. Like lots of people, around 10,000 people. But overall, it's just a good environment to watch because like, there's a lot of people. And the team's usually pretty good, so that's pretty fun. It's probably like 4.5 or 5 stars. So I'd certainly like suggest people go and like try to go and bring their friends and just kind of have a good time.
The place I'd recommend to go in London is TD Stadium. It's a great place to watch the Mustangs play, great place to run and have some recreational activities. If I'd rate it out of 5 stars, I'd give it 4.5 out of 5.
So there's a ski hill environment called Bowler Mountain, which has skis and snowboards that you can rent. They also have a chalet with great food. They have tubing. They have ropes courses in the summer. It's not that expensive. You can get a pass for the whole day. It's super fun, super family friendly, a great thing to do with your friends. Definitely like at least a 4 out of 5 stars.
Go to Symposium. It's this cafe on Richmond and Central, so it's only like a bus ride away from school, so it's like, I don't know, like 10 minutes. And it's just this little cafe next to Victoria Park, and it's really cute. A lot of good food, and like the atmosphere is really like nice and artsy, and it's like a really nice place to just like kind of wind down if that's what you're interested in. I'd rate it like honestly 5 stars.